Necesito sao.
Argentina.
Chilean way.
We can remember swimming in December.
You like it?
For the city lights, 975. We sharing each other.
This is traditional herring bread from Estonia.
Okay, just with the high gastronomy.
Made tortilla de patatas, but it's a new interpretation. Croquetas.
Oh, that's a typical Czech-German potato salad for Christmas.
Leg of lamb. Yes.
Irish ham.
Follow the sun tonight, reminiscing of the times of life. For each every other, the feeling is stronger. Shock it 11, got lost in your eyes. I can't do well when I think you're gonna leave.
Very nice the birds, no?
Of course.
I'm gonna go somewhere else. Sorry, guys.
Can you remember human life? It was so where we'd energized, lie in the sand and visualize.
L'ho detto che creava la festa.
We have to open the present. 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 We have to open the present.
Merry Christmas.
Whoa, me say me want see everybody a move. Dance, shall you know, that a man coming at you. We just want to pick up QTB, Bob Sinclair. It's a dance thing, you see me? Somewhere you just bounce on. Yeah. Everybody dance now. Let's go. Oh. Let's go. Make it hot. Come on. Let's go. Rock. Rock. Say what? Rock. Let's go. Everybody dance now. Rock this party. Dance everybody. Make it hot in this party. Don't stop. Move your body. Rock this party. Dance everybody. Make it hot in this party. Everybody dancing mood. Girl, and I'm feeling good. This is my favorite tune. Put on your dancing shoes. Gonna make you feel so good tonight, girl. Gonna make you sweat tonight, girl. We gonna make you wet tonight, girl. We gonna make you feel alright.
I came to rock at this party, cause I can make you feel alright. Sweet boy, rock your body, rock it straight through the night. Oh, you want this body? Oh, you want it now? Sweet boy, rock your body, cause I'm gonna make you mine tonight.
Let's go.
Because it's so good. Ah, you're the best, man. Yeah, because it's so good. You're so good. I'm so happy I'm so happy when I am here with all of you. I'm just feeling good.